While there are many types of sanders out there, using the wrong one will make your sanding job a nightmare. Sanding is an important aspect to great wood floors since the electric sander can help repair, restore or refinish hardwood floors. In a nutshell, Jellas 7 AMP 3" by 21 inches belt sander is on the powerful side, able to strip down a piece of wood in a short amount of time, smoothing and shaping wood best on large, flat surfaces, and can strip off not just wood but coating materials like paint and metal. If you're looking to strip down and finish entire planks, a Jellas belt sander is a good choice because it will offer pretty uniform results across the breadth of its sanding surface, and it is easy to control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Power and variable speed design. 7 amp, 120 volts motor rotates the belt at over 13 feet per second. Variable speed knob with 6 dials enables you to match the best speed to the application from 120 to 400 revolutions per minute. Number 2. Bench and belt sander. Jellas belt sander with 2 metal C-clamps. It can be turned over and fixed to table, acting as a bench sander. Lock-on button will help you release your hand, reduce your work intensity. Number 3. 10 pieces sanding belts. The deck sander comes with 2 pieces 40 grits, 2 pieces 60 grits, 2 pieces 80 grits, 2 pieces 120 grits, and 2 pieces 180 grits aluminum oxide sanding belts. They can save your money, meeting the requirements for your different projects. Number 4. High effective dust collection bag. The dust collecting bag is detachable, can be easily installed and removed, easy to clean dust. 2-in-1 vacuum dust adapter makes it possible to connect your vacuum cleaner, reaching the perfect dust collection effect. Number 5. Installing belt. When installing the sanding belt, please keep the arrow on the belt in the same direction of the arrow on the machine, which enables the belt a longer service life, avoiding leaving scratches on the board. Jellas provide 2-year customer support, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.